Hello friends, a very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video will try to create our or will try to update our Google Sheet as a weekly positional as well as intraday and also via inside camera. So before going to update for the next week, that is 16th to it will be starting from 16 to 20. So that is what the third week of September we are going to update our sheet. And fourth week would be an expiry. So as per our positional concept, so this Friday up to this Friday, so we are going to hold the positions, and at the end of Friday, so we are going to exit out our monthly positional based on our concept. So as of now, so we have a lot of opportunities as well, call side as well as put side. So call side triggers which is happening recently, and initially I just finding out some opportunities like a Bajaj Bajaj Finserv and 1885, and it was giving you 29% in the first day, and after that it came down and it went up. Now it is trading around 107. So if you are trying for our naked strategy, you can also keep a naked strategy. That would be your riskability, or hedging strategy like 2.1, 3.2 kind of strategy, or SBB or BFO strategies, which we can use any of them. So as per now the concept which you are using based on our advanced option strategy concept, so more than 11 stocks were generated to 40%, and 20% almost 15 stocks or 16 stocks in call side. But initially we have a lot of put side which triggers like Petronet, Tata Motors, ONGC, GAIL and PFC and RAC. It's a good opportunity where we find for the month of September. In put side it is keep on moving lower, and this is what an update based on our monthly concepts and the weekly concept which are taken. So a lot of opportunities which triggers on a call side. This is what a result varies in almost 20-30%. So based on the weekly positional strategy, we try to find a 2 to 3 opportunity for week, and monthly positional we are going to be able to find out 1 or 2 stocks which we are going to 3 to 5 stocks maximum, so we can try for a positional option strategy. So I like Bajaj Auto and Bajaj Finserv and even Voltas. SBI card is a good opportunity where it is triggered, and it was a huge move which is happening on that. So just purely based on the concepts of advanced option strategy, and those who are my students, they know very well how to use it. And people who are using my Google Sheet in intraday, it is purely works based on the Camarilla R4 breakout levels, and these are all the stocks which given you the breakout on yesterday. But I am trying for a few stocks that which breaks the second candle. For example, many stock which breaks a third or fourth candle, but I'm not tracking, but it is a good opportunity like Bajaj Finance 7400. Let me check, and when it is breaks the levels 7400 call option, where you can see it is happening on fourth candle. That means at 10 o'clock to 10:15. If you are looking at that particular sheet, and you will be able to finding out those stocks which given you the breakout on R4 level, and you need to try to find out an opportunity. This is what an R4 level exactly 192.35, where you can check our sheet also. It's showing you 192.33. So we are calculating the levels based on the formula, and that in charts it's showing you a round number. So this is an exact value. So maybe the higher round number would be 192.35, that exactly mentioned here in the R4 level. So what we used on the R4 level as a breakout point. So here I'm just looking for a breakout. Okay, and I'm keeping my stop loss below pivot is 150. So what 150, what I'm taking a risk from the trade is somewhere around 42 rupees. If the risk is big, so you simply ignore. If the risk is suitable, you can try. And at least 1:1 risk reward ratio, you can check it. And it went to 320 maximum. But the stocks I'm not focusing because I'm just always focusing on the first 2 stocks based on the scanners. We have already dashboard for finding out the stock which breaking the R4 level. So a key level to break out. And Bajaj Finserv 1860. Let me check Bajaj Finserv GHA 1860. That should be the intraday. And here it is first candle breakout. So if any stocks which break the level in the first candle, I'm just simply ignoring those stocks. So that is what a main logic which we are used on our Google Sheet scanner. City Union Bank 165. Most of the stocks breaks after 10 o'clock. That would be an opportunity, and this is a low liquidity, so I'll just taking out. And this is what a candle 9:55 to 10 o'clock. If the breakout is somewhere around 5.40, that exactly shown 5.38. and maybe a pivot is 4.7, just about a 70 paisa risk, and it went to maximum 8.90. So what we are planning with this Google Sheet, and this is an intraday Cambrilla R4 breakout levels we are exactly finding out, and which is nearing to that breakout is showing you 90, 100% is our breakout point. So when a stock is trading nearby 90, 95, so it is going to break. So but we have to track the sheet from the beginning of the day, and it is purely for an intraday. And some of the stocks by opening itself with triggers that would be in the list after 9:30, the sheet will be refreshed for fresh opportunities. But even if it is showing you the fresh breakout, you have to check whether it is going to break previously break or not. So I'm just looking at yesterday is a 5:30 Wipro. So why I'm just tried, and it is a second candle breakout Wipro. It's immediately after to the first candle. It does in the first candle it doesn't break the level, and the second candle you can just imagine it is giving you the breakout, and this I consider as a fresh breakout, and it gives, and it was a unexpected move from 12 to 25, so more than 100% it is increased by yesterday's, but we are taking a 12 to 8, almost near about 4 to 5 rupees risk that is happening. Okay, so weekly is based on the R4, weekly based on the positional concept, and monthly also be the strategy basis, and intraday is an R4, and inside Camarilla this is the levels where we find out. For example, BPCL 340, we are looking at a narrow 340, I think 340 call option. Left side we are mentioning call option that is in inside between the previous day. Okay, so BPCL 345. Okay, so BPCL 345. I think this strike price is not shown here. Exactly what should be the strike price? Sorry, 349.5. That's a strike price. This is what an exactly inside between the previous day S3 and R3 level. But in this case, I'm just expecting it should be break above the level. It may be going up. But in this case, it may be a trigger your stop loss on S4 level. Okay, I already made a video how to be I effectively manage this inside also. So if you want, you can go through that. And now I'm just going to update this also. And one day at once we are looking at how many stocks which forming a such a kind of pattern, and that we have some tool to find out that thing. So we simply trying to update that also. So I think in this we have a biocon and granulars which forming a inside that would be updated in the sheet by tomorrow. And input side we have some stocks like Balakrishna, Dr. Reddy, Indalco. So that how you filtered or how I am just finding out is based on the formula and derived, and I just calculating the levels, and I'm just updating here in the sheet. And this inside is nothing about, it is between the R4 and S4, and this would be R3 and S3. So it is a previous day levels. Okay, let me try to update our Google Sheet for the next week as well as intraday, and this would be updated tomorrow. And let me try to update our Google Sheet, and that would be automatically fetched strike prices and entry prices based on the weekly concepts. Okay, so if you are following the strategy, then we are trying to find 2 or 3 opportunity weekly, and that would be a great idea where we positionally make some trades based on the concept which you are using to find positional options in stocks mainly. Okay, so I'm just now it's updating the sheets, and it will be removing all the data. So it may be a backtest video, so where you can see how many stocks which triggers that labels and everything. So you will be understanding from this video. So that's why we make this thing on our session. Let me try. So let me check. I'm just going to update this, and it will be automatically update, and it will be changing the strike price. Now, no other stocks where it is reaching that R4 level. Sorry, our advanced levels on a weekly basis, and maybe tomorrow on a live market, any of the options which is breaking the 100, that should be the breakout point. And before taking an entry, you should take the stock having liquidity or volume. So then consider this was a fresh breakout. And this is what a monthly, it will be updating monthly once, and we have a lot of opportunities this month that is working well. And intraday sheet also updated, and some of the stock which showing earlier 100, it is not a liquid stock. Okay, so if you want to check that, you can check with the charts also. And inside would be Camarilla, so will be updated by tomorrow, or we can update this also. And I will maybe it will be helping you to someone who check the stocks before day open. So these are all the stocks which forming such a pattern in calls. I'm just pasting this, and these are all the stocks. up to Ultratech Cement, which forming a pattern. So for on the day of tomorrow, I think 16th level. These are all the 16th level. And call side we have only two stocks like Biocon and Granules, not much more. You will remove this. And these are all the stocks. You can also check the data are right or wrong. So this is what a data which we are taken out from based on our study. Okay, so you can check the data which we have provided here. It would be right, and before taking that you should consider, and that should be right. So book side we are looking into this much of stock, and that should be an inside stocks. Okay, inside, that means S3 to R3, and here I think we have a lot of stocks in a put side. Okay, so let me copy and paste it. And these are all this much of stocks, but more powerful. I'm just looking at an intraday, that would be a that inside would be a more powerful, and I'm just looking for, and sorry, yeah, a narrow should be a more powerful. And the same time I'm just tracking for an inside also, but I'm just tracking here. If I find out one or two opportunity, that would be good for me. So now the sheet is updated for the next week, and monthly is running right now, and intraday also updated for tomorrow, and inside also updated for 16. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, and if anyone who want to access this sheet, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you.